Hey everyone, get ready for a dish that's bright, zesty and unbelievably crispy. Today, we're making the ultimate crispy lemon chicken, a true family favorite. It's surprisingly simple to master, even for beginners, and packed with incredible flavor. First, let's talk about that incredible crunch. We're going to coat our chicken pieces in a seasoned flour mixture. A little cornstarch in there is our secret weapon for achieving extra crispiness. Make sure your chicken is patted super dry before dredging. This crucial step ensures a golden brown, shatteringly crisp skin that everyone will love. Now for the lemon magic. Once your chicken is beautifully golden, we'll create a quick, vibrant lemon sauce. Fresh lemon juice, a touch of garlic, and a hint of sweetness come together perfectly. This sauce isn't just for flavor, it adds a glossy finish that makes every bite irresistible. It's the perfect balance to the rich, crispy chicken, elevating the entire dish. Pan fry your chicken until it's cooked through and perfectly golden. Then, toss it gently in that amazing lemon sauce, ensuring every piece is coated. Serve it immediately with your favorite sides, like fluffy rice or steamed greens. This crispy lemon chicken is a weeknight hero and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. You'll love how easy it is to bring restaurant quality flavor right to your table. Give it a try tonight.